Today I will be updating my Aorus motherboard BIOS. So first thing you need to do is go on your manufacturer's website and go into support and download the latest BIOS. Once you have completed this process, just extract the files because it will come as a zip file. Extract all of the files and copy to a flash drive. Make sure that this flash drive is formatted at FAT32 and not NTFS because it will not work. Now that you have your latest BIOS copied to your flash drive, you want to insert your flash drive into a USB port onto your system and then power on your system and go into the BIOS. Once your computer is powered on, you need to press the delete button and you'll get into your BIOS. So with the Aorus motherboard, you go into Q flash. Different BIOS will have a different title, but Q flash is for Aorus. Next, my flash drive is already selected, and on the left here these are folders, and on the right here these are the actual files. So this is my Aorus board, the B650. I'm just going to click on it, select it, and next. It will ask if you are sure you want to update, and I will select yes. When it reaches 100%, it will automatically restart. So the computer did restart about 3 times. It will automatically restart when you are doing a BIOS update. And now let's just look at the BIOS now. Alright, at the top here you can see the BIOS version was successfully changed and updated to F36. Previously it was F31. Now just go back into Q flash. Okay. Alright, BIOS version F36 and the BIOS date is 2025 and it was previously 2024. So this update was successful.